If you first look at this problem, you're going to have no idea how to solve it because we are literally only given one number and we want to find the area of this entire red thing. Now, how on earth would we even do that? But first, let's not panic. Let's just try to figure out what we can find out because, we have to do something. So to do something, I'm just going to draw the center right here. This is going to be the center of AB, and let's call that O. And since this point O is going to be the center of this entire circle. So from that, we know a couple of things. So any point from the center to a side is going to be of length r. We know that because that's just what the radius is. And so I'm also going to draw this radius. So we also know this entire thing is r, but we're actually going to split it up into two separate things. So I'm going to call this one s and this r minus s because this is r. So this entire thing is r. So let's call this s, which is just from here to here, and this r minus s. And note that since this is the center of this entire circle, or semicircle for that matter, it's going to bisect this length CD. And so that means this is going to be 8. And so we have a right triangle here. So this has to be a right angle because it's going to be perpendicular. So we have a right triangle, and we can just write r squared minus s squared equals 8 squared, which is 64. So we got that from this right triangle, but now let's look at what the area even means. So first, this area, how do we even calculate that? And so that is, well, pi r squared divided by 2 and pi r squared divided by 2. That gives us this entire area, including this semicircle. So minus, we're going to have to subtract this smaller semicircle. And what we realize is that this s is actually the radius of this smaller semicircle because this, you could form like a rectangle here. And so this s is the same as this s. So this is actually the radius of the smaller semicircle. So we get pi r squared over 2 minus pi s squared over 2. And we're dividing by 2 because these are semicircles. Now, let's look at these two equations, r squared minus s squared. We know what that is, and so from this area equation, I'm just going to write this a little separately, or a little differently. I'm going to factor out a pi over 2. We get r squared minus s squared. That's what the area is. And you already know what r squared minus s squared is. That's 64, so we can literally just plug that in right here. So you get a equals pi over 2 times 64, which equals 32 pi. That's the answer to this problem. So moral of the story is don't panic if you're only given one length. Just do something and it's going to work out.